Greetings and welcome to the Dramanon channel. You know, walking into Adobe Photoshop for the very first time can feel like stepping into a futuristic wizard's workshop. I get it, it's both thrilling and could be overwhelming. It's like being thrust into the bridge of a starship and then presented with a dashboard of a dozen unlabeled buttons. But here's the secret. You don't need to learn it all at once. In fact, you shouldn't. All you need is curiosity and just one tool. I remember when I first saw Photoshop, it was version 2.0. I found myself mesmerized by the possibilities that this tool unveiled. And I had this distinct feeling that this software was going to change everything, especially for me and how I wanted to produce art in the future. So I launched Photoshop. There were tools I didn't recognize, panels I didn't understand, features buried in corners like enchanted relics. What was I going to do with this newfound power? Well, I was going to start with one tool. For me, it was the brush tool, a digital pencil, that's it. I made scribbles, I played with pressure, with opacity, I drew lines, then I erased them. That one tool taught me layers, it taught me mask, it taught me how digital paint behaves on a digital canvas, all without ever opening another panel. Photoshop was like a spell book. In fact, each tool was like a spell. And like any good wizard, you don't cast them all at once, you learn one at a time. The brush, that's my expression. The move tool, I use for placement. The lasso tool, that's the power to say this, not that. It's precision and focus. One tool, well practiced, becomes a creative superpower. So if you're opening Photoshop for the first time, play, tinker, repeat. This is how you master a tool, click by click. Your Creative Spark challenge for this week is fire up Photoshop or similar software. Pick one tool. Now just use that one tool for the next 10 to 15 minutes. No filters, no layer styles, no switching tools. Just explore that one tool and see what it can do. How much can you uncover and how will you surprise yourself after just 15 minutes? Mastery doesn't start with complexity. It starts with attention, with play and wonder. Photoshop can look overwhelming, but at its core, it's just a collection of tools, waiting for you to explore each one at a time. Even the most seasoned artists started with a single stroke, a single click, a single moment of curiosity. Until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and thank you for watching.